In today's video, I will be showing you how to add new chats or how to do new chats in your Deepseek account easy and quickly. So first of all, after you install or download the application, so enter Deepseek. For example, if you ask him how to make a sandwich, then you wanna new chat, just click here in the bottom and that's it. Now you can ask new question. So that's it. That's how to add new chats easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.